Cameron, and I'm back with another video today. Today, I'm going to be filming my highly requested room tour. If you have not watched my room transformation, click out of this video right now and then like come back to this one because like you have to see the before you see this video. I'm just saying. That'll be linked up in the cards as well as down below. I've been waiting to kind of like do a room tour for you guys until like I had like everything in my room situated. Anyway, I'm finally filming my room tour. I'm gonna take you guys in the hizzy with Cam's Glam Fam. Yes, Cam's Glam Fam. I like it. I'm wearing leopard print, so hopefully me and Carol Baskin can be friends. But make sure you subscribe to me as well because I'm very funny. I'm very entertaining. So I mean, if you really want like to laugh, a good old chuckle, I'm gonna take you along on a fabulous roller coaster of Cameron's room. Okay, so right here is like my favorite part of my room. It's the first thing that I look at whenever I wake up in the morning. This is my dresser that I completely flipped. Go check out my last video if you want to see what it looked like before. But then I have these two vases and I put some really cute white flowers in there. My mom bought those from me. I don't really know where she got them, but I'll link those down below if I can find them. And then right here I have my cam. But yeah, I got those for Christmas like 2 years ago. I don't really know exactly where I got them, but they're beautiful and I've had them for like 2 years and I literally love them. So on this wall I have the super cute gold picture frame that I got from like my Sweet 16, and I had like a picture in there for my birthday party. I don't even know, but I took the picture out and put a super cute silver ice cream cone that I found off Pinterest. And then right here I have my gold mirror. I love gold mirrors. Gold mirrors are everything. I think they bring a room together. So yes. This is like a really cute like hook holder that I could hang like anything on really, and I decided to hang sunglasses right there because I love them. Moving on to this window, which is the same as the window by my bed. I got my silver sequence curtains from eFavor. I'll link those down below. And then I got my ivory shears from Amazon. And then right here on my curtains I have like these really cute crystal like napkin rings. I decided to put my shears in them because I thought they would look really cute and spunk up everything. So that's what I did right there. Okay, so this nightstand, I have 3 books right here. I have the Little Dictionary of Fashion, Milk and Honey, and Girl Boss. I just sit there and I look through them whenever I'm bored or anything like that. And then obviously my lamp. My lampshade I think is from Target and I don't know where my lamp is. I can flip my nightstands as well, so go check out my last video if you want to see how I did it. Okay, so this is my beautiful bed. I love it so much. My bed itself, the headboard and the footboard and then the rails are from American Signature, so I'll try to link this down below. Okay, so my headboard I love because I can switch like the colors, and yeah, and then I can like do all that like cool funky stuff. My spread is from Target actually. I love it so much. Oh, I also got this blanket for Christmas too, but it's from Ulta. My 2 pink throw pillows I got for Christmas this year. This super cute star I picked up from Target as well with my bedding. And then this is my nightstand. That's the same as the nightstand on the left. Right here I have the same lamp shade and same lamp, but the only differences are the decor obviously. So right here I have this super cute gold K that I had for a while now. I don't even know where I probably got it from. It might have been Hobby Lobby, but I've had it for a really long time and it's beautiful. And then right here I got this super cute blush pink candle from my friends Addie and Anila. I love them so much. They got this for me for my 17th birthday. Down here I have this super freaking cute gold little like makeup tote that my mom picked up for me, and I love it so much, and I thought it would look super cute down there. So yes, that is that setup. This is my happy place. I love it so much. So my vanity, I got a lot of questions on my last video about where my vanity is from. I actually made it. The mirror I DIY'd, spray painted it silver, and then these little lights I got from Amazon, and I can change them like different colors, which I really like. So, and right here I have some of my palettes and like sprays and like long stuff that couldn't really like fit in my makeup drawer. My bigger palettes are just all in here with my eyelashes. Okay, so then right here I have this super freaking cute little like circle mirror that I actually DIY'd myself again. Here I have this super cute Eiffel Tower that I actually got from Paris when I went my 6th grade year. Right here is this super cute like little heart that I just kind of put miscellaneous like jewelry and stuff in, but it's super cute and I love it. And then this makeup container was black and I also spray painted it a silvery like metallic-y color. This is my vanity. And then right here I also DIY'd this like little container that I got from Walmart. I put some silver contact paper on it just to give it a more of a glam look, and I just have some school stuff in there. Right here is my Chester drawer that I also, you know, glammed up, and I have a whole bunch of clothes in this bad boy. Starting up top, this In Paris sparkly gold and blush pink painting I got from Burlington. Like what? Right here I have my salt lamp that's not turned on right now. Here, oh my god, I love these. I DIY'd these myself as well. All 3 of these pieces are separate and they're from Dollar Tree actually, and I E6000 them together into like this super cute like glass holder, which is literally adorable. And I got this crushed glass from Michael's, which I love. You can't really see right now because the lights are on, but at night it's really pretty and like illuminates this, and it's super cute. And then this super cute mirror right here I also DIY'd. It was black and I spray painted it as well. My closet, I had curtain lights but I took them down because my brother kept pulling on them, but this is my closet and I replaced my closet door with shears. And then excuse my tripod, my blush pink rug I got for Christmas too, so I don't really know where that is. What did you guys think of Peep the Glitter Wall? My favorite part of my room probably, I think it's my glitter wall, hands down. Or my headboard, like who, like it's so freaking cool, come on. Like it changes colors, isn't that so cool? Okay, this is my room. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and you smash that like button as well. Turn on the post notifications so you know whenever I upload next. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias, I'll all be linked down below. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.